Hi everyone, my name is AGorham and my topic this semester has been text mining. What is text mining? Text mining or text analysis is a technology that uses natural language processing to transform free, unstructured text into structured data for analysis. Text mining seeks to explore and transform digital text and language in such a way that it becomes more like numerical data or something that can be processed and analyzed by machines and researchers. It has greatly aided readers in the process of skimming large texts, as well as researchers in examining much more information than previously humanly possible. Some basic examples of text mining include Control F to search for a specific word within a text, as well as keyword searches in databases. Approximately 90% of the world's data is held in unstructured formats, i.e. text or language-based. Thus, the management of a vast amount of unstructured, patron-related knowledge in libraries has become an area of significant research interest recently. The ability of text mining to extract and reveal unstructured or hidden knowledge has made this technology a critical tool within the LIS field in recent years. The concept of digital libraries emerged in 1991 when it was first presented by the U.S. National Information Infrastructure Initiative. Most libraries today have some presence in the online space. In turn, this had mandated a new technological approach to collecting and analyzing library data. Text mining has been increasingly utilized in the library and information science field to measure the overall effectiveness of library staff and patron interactions, examine a library's social media communications, and aid researchers within the LIS field in collecting data and statistics on a variety of topics related to the performance and holdings of a library's collection or a library. Text mining can serve LIS professionals in many ways too. It has the potential to illuminate research trends, reveal effective and ineffective library resources and services, and improve upon the usability of digital collections. For some final thoughts, text mining has proved itself to be an essential tool in the increasingly digital LIS landscape. Going forward, libraries that wish to enter and maintain space in the digital realm need to utilize technologies such as text mining to continuously monitor and update their resources, services, and collections. There's so much more to this topic, but this is what I've brought for this presentation. Thanks for taking the time to listen, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me.